Well, having personally worked at the large broker dealer Merrill Lynch for over 30 years, things had changed culturally severely, and basically woke up every morning being an employee of a big bank. And what was being dictated to us was that, how we treat our clients and what we offer to them and how we run ourselves as professionals is going to be driven by the best benefit to the shareholders of the bank that owned us, which is not a bad thing. For us, it wasn't the right thing. We didn't feel that was the best interest of our clients. So we started looking into how do we make a change here? What do we do? We can't change the company we work for. So we looked at all the other competitors in that field and realized no matter what we found, in the end, we would still wake up working for employees of a great big bank. And our clients would be at the whim of whatever that bank wants them to do. So we embarked instead on doing the due diligence on the independent space, on being able to create our own brand, be entrepreneurial, come up with our own investment platforms, contract with the investment firms that we want to use. And then also kind of create our own company and our own culture and build off of that. And it was a big risk, and we're very pleased that every one of our team and staff came with us when we made the decision and asked them. More importantly, an overwhelming majority, nearly every one of our clients came with us as well. And new business started coming in the door. It's been an incredible ride. The comment we heard so often was, it's about time you did something like that. Or I was wondering if you would come around to do something like that someday. Because they could appreciate it, because that's how they built their own wealth, and that's how they've operated the whole time. And so it resonated with a lot of people. We started out paying for everything out of our own checkbooks. It was a pretty scary, daunting thing, but it led to really good successes. And I'm asked if we have any regrets on what we did. And it's pretty simple and straightforward, probably obvious. We just wish we did it sooner. We wish that we did this 10, 15 years ago. And because I think we would be even more successful. There's a lot of investment offerings out there that are not of the size that they can exist in the ecosystem of a massive Wall Street bank, because the money flows that can come to them would overwhelm them. If you've got a $500 million fund or $1 billion fund, too much money can flow to it. It can overwhelm the investment itself. And so you're not able to find, really unique, niche, bespoke investments. And that's one of the things we've been able to do. And we use that to blend in with, some of the more mainstream investments that we do, especially in the public markets, giving us access to that private market, unlike you can do at a major Wall Street firm, has been, I think, probably one of the greatest benefits to our clients overall. And it's a real conversation starter when I'm able to show a prospective client, or even an existing client that we're trying to broaden the relationship with, something that they cannot find anywhere else, without some type of exclusive, means to get into it. So it's been very powerful for us. We've always been good stewards of money, and I think we always carried the best clients of our interests first. But I think even more so now, because of the responsibilities we have of our own company and the asset that we've created here and whatnot, it's even more important to us from the client's perspective, especially those that are entrepreneurs and business owners. We get how important being smart with your money is, and the integrity that goes into building it and creating it. Typically we tell our clients, for example, you're not our client because you came to us with a few dollars and we made you rich. You were really smart. You learned how to create a lot of wealth for yourselves. We're working with you to make sure that all the right people are at the table and that we don't mess it up. That's really what we do. And I think it really gave this entrepreneurial journey that we've been on helps us identify things much better than what we did before and be better advisors. I really think in the bottom line is we were all good advisors at Merrill. I think that we've become so much better at what we do professionally. And I think we really have added a lot of excellence to the type of advisory services that we offer just from the experience of what we've gone through.